Just another quick video. I am the Caveman. This is Caveman Creations. Now, I know I've been doing a lot of home improvement videos and things like that, and not really any crafts lately, so we're going to change that today. I got this piece of scrap 2x4, and I'm going to make 3 ghosts out of it. First thing I'm going to do is measure it out and mark them out at 6 inches each. Take my square. And I'm going to add a 1/4 inch for the blade thickness. And same thing down on this end. And I'm going to take my round piece here. I'm going to line the top of it up. You can do it this way. Line the top of it up with a line. And then just trace the top of it out. And then do that to all 3 of them. There we go. Now let's go cut them out. And now we'll cut out the corners on the bandsaw. Now that I get them all cut out, I'm going to go and sand them down. Got them sanded down. Now I'm going to go paint them white using the 2-time Rust-Oleum. Now that I've got them painted white, you could take a paint pen, it's an acrylic painter, black, and draw on some eyes. But I'm going to do something a little bit different. Instead, I'm going to use this. And sorry if I triggered anybody by throwing down a bag of eyes. But we're going to pick out the right size ones and glue them on. I'm just going to use a little bit of Titebond wood glue. We figure out where we want to put the eyes. Something like that. There we go. I'll do that to the rest of them. And there we go. A couple of cute little ghosts with their bobbling eyes. Easy project. I get $5 each for these. And we'll see how it goes. Till the next one.